Welcome to our guide on stock investing for beginners and intermediate investors. Today, we'll explore the world of stocks and highlight why investing, whether with a little or a lot of money, can be beneficial. Let's get started. When it comes to investing, there are legendary figures who have achieved incredible success. Take Warren Buffett, known as the Oracle of Omaha. His long-term investment approach has made him one of the wealthiest people in the world. Peter Lynch, a renowned mutual fund manager, followed a simple strategy of invest in what you know. Ray Dalio, the founder of Bridgewater Associates, emphasizes diversification and understanding economic cycles. For beginners, starting with a small amount allows you to learn and gain experience without putting too much at risk. It's like dipping your toes into the water before diving in. As you familiarize yourself with investing, you'll begin to understand the principles of risk and reward, market dynamics, and the importance of long-term thinking. Thanks to technology, investing has never been more accessible. Online brokerage platforms offer user-friendly interfaces that allow you to research and invest in stocks with just a few clicks. With as little as $100 or even less, you can start building your investment portfolio. But what if you have a lot of money to invest? Well, the advantages are numerous. Larger investments provide the potential for greater returns. By allocating a substantial amount of money, you can diversify your portfolio across different stocks, sectors, and asset classes, reducing the impact of any single investment. Additionally, investing with a larger amount can open doors to alternative investment options, such as real estate, private equity, or even starting your own business. With a well-thought-out investment strategy, you have the opportunity to grow your wealth significantly over time. Remember, investing is not a one-size-fits-all approach. Whether you start with a little or a lot, what truly matters is your commitment to learning, researching, and staying informed. Keep in mind the wise words of these famous investors and adapt their timeless principles to your investment journey. So, whether you're a beginner or an intermediate investor, take that first step, start investing, and unlock the potential to achieve your financial goals. Happy investing!